I was just gifted the SterilPure Ultrasonic Dishwasher, and I already love super small ultrasonic machines for cleaning retainers and jewelry, and this steps it up quite a notch. It uses 37,000 hertz ultrasonic vibration waves that will break up all the dirt and residue and grease that is on anything you put in with it to give you a super clean without having to clean, which is so nice if you live in a home that doesn't have a dishwasher, or if you want to really clean your vegetables, your meat, your jewelry. You really aren't limited with this incredible device. It's also really easy to clean. It just has this long rubber cord here that hooks to the main device, and then this is the piece that you'll put in the water with whatever you're trying to clean. And it is metal on the top. This bottom piece does come off, and it has a little pull handle here. And then it has this extra little seal, but all that can come off so you can easily clean this. So if you are switching between different items that you are cleaning, you can get this clean as well. Not to mention, it's always going to be self-cleaning considering how it works. And it isn't just an ultrasonic cleaner. This also has an ozone cleaning mode, which is specifically designed for cleaning bacteria and anything else to make a really sanitary clean, which is why I doubt you'll ever have to clean this. This is made to clean for you. So let's put it to the test. I'm gonna plug it in. It comes with a nice long cord, and this is the first time I've seen this. It actually has the European plug, and then it comes with the adapter for the US plug. And I think that's because this is still a very, very new product, and I will expect that you will see something more finished than what I'm seeing right now, as I am one of the first testers of this product. But I will just plug that in on the side here and then add my adapter, and we're ready to go. Now I've already filled my sink with water, and here it is. I took off the back as this is meant to make it more quiet, and you do want this part to aim at whatever you're trying to clean. So I'm gonna put this in a corner so it aims into the water. And I am going to add some detergent to this, as you're gonna see what I'm gonna try to clean here in a moment. But I'm just gonna add a little detergent right into the middle. And then I decided to try to clean the grossest thing I could find, which is this barbecue scrubber that actually looks like it's molding along the side. It's really disgusting. So I'm gonna put that right in front of it. So it's aiming directly at that. And now I'm ready to turn it on. I really am just gonna turn it on, and then I can go really fast through the modes. It has 3 modes. You have dishes, so 12 minutes for like pots and pans, which is what I'm gonna do for this. And then it has 5 minutes if I was just cleaning fruits and veggies. And then the last one is 9 minutes, and that's for like raw meats or seafood. So I'm gonna turn it on and see how it goes with dishes. And the reason I said that is this turns on really fast. There it goes, it's now on. And I can hear it going right there. And you can actually see that it's making the water move. And I just have it running right now. I do not have the oxygenator going as well. So I'm gonna turn that on too, and then we're gonna give it the 12 minutes. Now the oxygenator is on too. We'll give it the 12 minutes. Ooh, when I move it close to it, I can really see it go. Now it just beeped at me that it's finished. I will say 2 things I'm not the biggest fan of are that my room smells a little bit like ozone right now. It wouldn't if I hadn't had the ozone part running, but there is a bit of a smell in the space, and I actually do not like the high-pitched frequency you hear from this. It is more muted as long as you put it on the side corner or in the drain and you keep it fully submerged. And you can make it even quieter if you put it in a plastic bin instead of metal or ceramic, but it's still a high-pitched frequency. Now, before I do anything, I'm going to unplug this. And now let's check out how it did. So I'm gonna just pull this out here. What? That that did remarkably well. Now I'm gonna shake it in the water, which will probably take a little more off of it. But one of the things about this ultrasonic waves is it loosens everything. So this should really help. And you can see that the water in there is really quite dirty anyway. That looks so good. It was really, really disgusting at the beginning. I can see that these pieces right here are rusted metal, so that's why they're not looking as clean. But overall, this is pretty much all the way clean. It just looks like a little bit is still stuck on one end. I'm sure if I ran it a little longer, that would all come off. And I am very, very impressed. Everything on this had been cooked on it last summer, and it's just been sitting outside with all of that on it, slightly molding for about 6 months now. So this was exceptionally disgusting. There is nothing in your kitchen on a daily or weekly cooking job that is going to be as gross as this, and it did a remarkably good job. Now, if you don't mind the sound, obviously you can just be cleaning the kitchen around this while it's running. But if you do mind the sound, it is only running for 12 minutes to fully clean your kitchen dishes on a regular day. And so you could just close this in your kitchen while you go about doing other things. And when it's finished, I am confident that your dishes will be clean. Just give them a quick rinse, towel dry if needed, and you're good to go. So if you don't have a dishwasher and don't have space for a dishwasher, this is a really great option. Also, if you want to sterilize your fruits and veggies or your meats in a really clean way that you can trust, this is fantastic. There's nothing questionable about this. It really is just using ultrasonic waves and oxygen. That's it to clean. That's amazing. The SterilPure is not only a very cool concept, but they have also executed pretty well on this initial design. I know this is only going to get better over time, and I'm really impressed.